Whether you are listing your house for sale or just want to update your current home, we understand how stressful it is for today's busy families to manage home improvements. You may be thinking, where do we begin? Who can we trust? How are we going to get all this done? With just one call, Prep and Sell can do a virtual consultation to see the scope of work required, then followed up by an in-person visit. You won't need to worry about a thing. Over the years, Prep and Sell has learned what brings the most value in selling your home. Which is why we will consult with you and your real estate agent before we agree with you on a detailed scope of work. We'll explain the Prep and Sell plan in detail so you'll know exactly what will happen and when. Our team of experts treats your home the way they would want someone to treat their own, with care and respect. We offer a 1-year warranty on all the work we do, so you can have peace of mind that everything will meet our professional high standards and yours. Whether you need help with curb appeal and landscape cleanup, interior deep cleaning and deodorizing, decluttering and junk removal, handyman services, painting, staging and design, bathroom or kitchen upgrades, estate makeovers, or any combination of these things, Prep and Sell is ready to help. Your home will become an offer magnet. In no time at all, your house will go from for sale to sold. Prep and Sell is happy to help you through every step and will be there to help you in your new home. Selling, buying, or fixing up your current home. If you want your home improvement project professionally managed, contact your local expert at prepandsell.com, your trusted neighborhood home makeover specialist.